morning from Mexico. I am at a central autobus terminal, that's bus in Mexico. I'm going to Mayan Pyramid, which is very famous in Mexico City. So I'm going to visit that. They have many tours for that Mayan Pyramids, but then I'm not going to take those tours because I'm going to take the public transport and visit the pyramid and views about the pyramid and people who just went to the pyramid and all said good things about that. So I'm very happy that I'm going to visit that. I'm also excited. If you're new here, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and if you've already subscribed, that's fine, you're into my fam, and please do watch this video fully. I bet the very big queue and got these tickets. So we are here. It's a long way to go. We have to walk a lot to see the pyramids. I guess I'm here. I have to go this way just to explore the Sun Pyramid and then go that way to the Moon Pyramid. That's going to be a very long distance. Let's see. I'm going to make it. I've seen this as a pyramid in Instagram, but it doesn't seem to be like that. Pyramid seems to be like that, but it's all crowded. On Sundays, Mexicans have free permit to these pyramids, so it's crowded. But fine, I'll have to climb up like 500 steps maybe, 500 steps to watch this Sun Pyramid.
Some history about this Teotihuacan pyramids. Teotihuacan is arranged in grid layout that covers about 8 square miles. It contains around 2,000 single-story apartment compounds as well as various pyramids, plaza, temples and palaces of nobles and priests. Nobody was able to find who built this ancient city. Some of the scholars believe that a tribe from the east built this inhabited city. Other theory tells that the immigrants flooded into the Teotihuacan valley following the eruption of volcano, and those immigrants built the city.
Hey guys, we made it to Mayan Pyramid. That is the top level of Mayan Pyramid. See how crowded it is. Yes, I know it's Sunday. This would be like this. And I have to show you the way I came. Hope you can see. The road part over there. You have a big queue there. You have to come in a queue, climb up, and that is also the queue. And that queue goes round like that, and then you have to come back here and this queue and climb up here. It was about 2 hours to just come to this top, and it was like super high and very difficult, but then it's a very good view. You can see anything for this view. And you have the Moon Pyramid over there. Yes, we have to climb that one also, but right now I'm chilling here for a while. guys, right behind me is the moon pyramid, and there's the sun pyramid. I climbed over that pyramid and I got the view of moon pyramid from there. Now that's going to be vice versa. I'm going to climb this moon pyramid and watch the sun pyramid.
The Teotihuacan priest practiced ritual sacrifices of animals and people to these gods. In 1989, researchers discovered 18 sacrificial victims buried in the long pit just south to the temple. Then later they discovered that around 200 other victims were also sacrificed when the temple was built in the early 3rd century. Many of the sacrifices were male warriors in the military attire. More recently, in 2004, the archaeologists uncovered the evidence sacrifices in the Pyramid of Moon also. These sacrifices included 12 people with their hands bound behind their back. The other sacrifices at the pyramid include 5 wolves and 3 jaguar and 13 birds, might be eagle, animals believed to be the symbol of warriors. It is unclear why the Teotihuacan is collapsed. Around 600 AD, major buildings were deliberately burned and artworks and the religious sculptures were destroyed. In 2003, a heavy rainstorm opened a large sinkhole at the temple. Researchers have been excavating the site since. By lately 2015, they had unearthed 75,000 artifacts of various types, including seashells, pottery, animal bones, and human skin. Large chamber containing vast amount of jewelry.
It is like a bird shape. See? Yeah. And this also. Owl and some bird. Hey guys, we are back at the bus station. Now I'm going to take a cab to the Basilica Church. It is one of the second largest place where Catholic Christians visits. The first part is Italy, Rome, and after that it's Mexico only. So after day of that, this Sunday is a very auspicious Sunday for the people. So I'm very excited about that also. Let's go! So after this Basilica Church, we are here at Dhaka Biryani. So it's an Indian come Bangladesh restaurant. We have tandoori.
It's cold.
I hope you liked this video. If you like it, give it up a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such videos. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep watching and keep rocking, my lovelies. Bye.